What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. Today we have the Diamattis. Last time we did the revolver, the Magnum, and we did pretty good with it. I'm not gonna lie, we went like 50 and something, I guess. I don't remember. We played like 2 games. I want to say thank y'all for the support recently, bro. We're about to hit 200 subscribers. Like not even 3 months ago, bro, I was at like 130, bro. Like it's crazy how fast we're growing, and right now we're at 190. So thank you for subscribing. If you guys enjoyed this video and it helps you guys out, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and then let me know what else you guys want to see. So for the Diamatti loadout, we're gonna have the sound suppressor, Ember sighting point, Vandal speed loader, field tape, and the dual wield stock. And yeah, let's just get into it. All right, so we're playing Garrison. They honestly need to make better maps because these maps are just getting old and boring. Damn. Sorry about that, King.
Losing B. Securing C.
I have this. Go.
They lost Bravo.
It's literally like 2 shots.
Losing Alpha.
What is he doing? Sixth streak right now. Say what's up to my burst.
Get this beam untagged for free at freebeats.io.
Why would you, like, honestly, why would you push that?
Fueled and standing by. Losing Bravo.
$13, $14.
Securing shot.
No. All right, we're good. We're good.
Enemy has A. We've pulled ahead. C locked down.
I tried to go prone. What? It didn't let me go prone. Bro, how can he shoot me, bro? I'm literally by the door. Like, bro, he's getting invisible hit markers, bro.
All locations. Hold your positions.
Get this beam untagged for free at freebeats.io.
Nice. Good job. Fell into my trap. Oh my gosh, bro. He should have died.
Losing B.
It's cool though. It's cool though. Yes, sir, it is. I smell it. Alright, we got lucky. There's someone over here. Yes, sir. I seen you. Oh, I didn't even know that was someone. Finish off strong, bro. That was beautiful. Look at that. You would have died too.
So it begins.
Good job. Let's go. And we got kill cam. Brap, brap. Brap, brap. That last burst shot right there, bro, we got lucky. Alright, let's get it, man. So I think we should go to the right side.
That really got B? What the fuck?
This man ran. Wrong guy. It's so fun just greasing them. What am I gonna do? No! I hate those fucking thing bobs.
Get this game untagged for free at freebeats.io.
Oh! Watch out. No, bro, how many shots does it take to kill this man? Saved you, bro.
Losing B.
Yo. He's gonna teabag me too, bro. Really? Alright, dog. Go ahead and meet me over here, bitch. How you like them nuts? How you like these nuts, boy? Terrible, bro. Bro, can y'all help me? Fuck, man. I get no teammates. I didn't mean to do that.
It's just not.
I went for the melee, bro, and it did that animation. I don't know what keybind it is. I had to change.
Losing broad plane inbound. Losing C.
Eat those nuts.
All locations secure.
You started the teabagging. I'm just ending it, bro.
Enemy took Charlie.
That's all you, big dog.
Enemy counter spy plane inbound.
I'm just ending it.
Great job, CIA.
Terrible.
Fuss, no fuss.
We've taken the win.
All right, y'all. That's gonna end the video off there, man. Thank you for watching. If y'all enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like. If this loadout helps you in any way, let me know. I guess you can let me know what kind of guns you guys want me to do next. I don't have all of them unlocked yet. Like the Groza, I plan on finishing this off soon, and the Milano, and some of these LMGs. I gotta do the M16 too, since it's a popular gun. So, but yeah, here's the loadout real quick before I finish the video off. Sound suppressor, Ember sighting point, Vandal speed load,
Get this beam
field tape,
untagged for free.
dual. If you guys feel like any of these should be changed, then go ahead and do it yourself, or let me know what I should change. Or you guys can also recommend me a loadout and I can try it out and do a video on it. Or anything kind of like any random loadout that you guys want me to try, any challenges. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Road to 200 subscribers. We need 10 more subscribers, so 10 more people to support the channel. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
Freebeats.io